Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin.
Emma, we are here.
Yes, this is the hotel.
It looks very nice.
I can see the entrance over there.
Let's go inside.
Okay, do you have the reservation?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Good. Let's check in.
I am a little tired from the trip.
Me too. Let's find our room soon. Wow, the lobby is so big.
Yes, it is very clean too.
Look at those chairs. They look comfortable.
I can see the front desk over there.
There is a woman at the front desk.
Let's go and talk to her.
She looks friendly.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hello, welcome to Grand Hotel.
Thank you. We have a reservation.
Can I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Mark.
And your last name?
My last name is Taylor.
Let me check the reservation.
I also have it on my phone.
I can see it here. 2 guests, correct?
Yes, my name is Emma.
Great. You have a double room on the 3rd floor.
Perfect. Thank you.
Here are your key cards.
Thank you. How do these work?
Just hold the card near the door.
Like a tap card?
Yes, exactly.
And where is our room?
Take the elevator to the 3rd floor.
Where is the elevator?
It is just behind you, on the left.
Thank you very much, Lisa.
Here is the elevator.
Great. Let me press the button.
The doors are opening.
Let's go inside.
It's a small elevator.
Yes, but our bags fit.
Which floor are we on?
The 3rd floor, number 3.
I'm pressing the button now.
Good. Almost there.
What is our room number?
Room 312.
Here it is. Room 312.
Let me use the key card.
Hold it near the door.
The light is green. It worked.
Great! Let's go inside. Oh, the room is lovely.
Yes, the beds look very comfortable.
Look at the window. What a great view.
I can see the city from here.
Where is the bathroom?
I think it is that door there.
Yes, here it is. It's very clean.
Good. There are towels too.
I love this room.
Me too. Let's rest for a little while. Emma, are you hungry?
Yes, a little. What can we order?
There is a room service menu here.
What does it have?
Sandwiches, soup, and drinks.
I want a sandwich, please.
Okay, I will call now.
Room service for room 312.
Yes, that's us. Come in.
Here are your 2 sandwiches.
Thank you. What drinks did you bring?
Orange juice, is that okay?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
Is there anything else you need?
No, this is everything.
Enjoy your meal.
Good morning, Mark. How did you sleep?
Very well, thank you. And you?
I slept great. What shall we do today?
Let's look around the hotel first.
Oh, look! There is a swimming pool.
And there is a gym next to it.
I love this hotel. It has everything.
Let's get breakfast first. I'm hungry.
Good idea. Where is the breakfast room?
Lisa said it is on the ground floor.
This breakfast looks amazing.
There is so much food here.
I can see bread, fruit, and eggs.
I love a hotel breakfast.
Me too. Let's get some food.
I will take some bread and eggs.
I want fruit and orange juice.
This coffee smells so good.
Everything is fresh and delicious.
This is the best part of the hotel.
Good morning. Are you checking out today?
Yes, we are checking out now.
I hope you enjoyed your stay.
We loved it. Everything was perfect.
That is wonderful to hear.
Here are the key cards.
Thank you. Your bill is ready.
Can I pay by credit card?
Of course. No problem at all.
We will come back again soon.
We hope to see you again. Have a safe trip.
Thank you, Lisa. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.